There are several ways to store your virtual server securely, quickly, and reliably. Let us take a look at the use of a single server in the first step. A system is equipped with the desired amount and size of hard disks or SSDs. You have the choice between different models, as you can see here. One advantage of this solution is that you can start with only one system and you do not need several servers for a failover cluster. Another advantage is that you only need a standard license of Windows Server 2019. The disks installed in the server are connected via RAID controller and one or more volumes are made available to the operating system. You can choose how the backup data is transferred to this backup storage. Either create one or more shares on the system, alternatively install a Veeam transport agent, and you can even use the CPU and memory power of the server to compress and deduplicate incoming backup data. In addition to use a single RAID array, it is also possible to use both HDDs and SSDs. The SSD array is used as primary backup storage to which incoming data can be quickly written off. The size should be well dimensioned so that your backup data can be stored over a period of a few days up to a week. After this time, the backups are moved to the HDD storage. So the data is still available but does not occupy expensive SSD storage. This combination of two types of storage brings several advantages. Incoming backups can be processed quickly, which reduces the backup time window. In addition, data can be restored very quickly, as SSDs offer several times the throughput of traditional hard drives. If functions such as instant recovery are used to start VMs from the backup storage, you also benefit from the performance of the flash drives. VMs start up faster, can be brought back into operation more quickly, and you can start more VMs instant in total than with rotating spindles. In the videos, we will have a closer look to a recovery using instant recovery, so you can see this technology in operation. During the planning process, the storage space requirements for your infrastructure are calculated together with you as a customer. Nevertheless, it is always possible that unforeseen events or too much growth will create more demand for performance or storage space. There are several possibilities and options. If there are still free slots in the server, disks can be plugged in at any time. Either the existing RAID volume is expanded or another volume can be created and used as an alternative. If you have decided on a model with many slots, this may be a bit more expensive, but more drives can be added. If all slots are already in use, additional hardware can be purchased and integrated into the existing infrastructure. If you have decided to use a Veeam scale-out repository when setting up the systems, you don't even have to adjust your backup jobs, you just have to equip the new server with an agent and add it as an additional storage space. The Veeam software takes care of everything else by itself. The number of storage systems you can add and use is technically not limited, so you don't have to think during the planning phase about when the system has reached its limits and you have to buy a new system, including all the consequences that such a process involves. If this video has caught your attention and you want to know more, please contact us. We are at your disposal for discussing a possible project, sizing, concepts for integration into your environment, quotations for pricing, and technical implementations. We accompany you in your project from the beginning to the support after an implementation. You will benefit from a solid partnership, many years of expertise in this area, and a high level of professional competence of all parties involved.